Hey, welcome back. Today I'm bringing you a home tour that has it all. Space, style, a backyard big enough to make your dreams come true. Imagine starting your day in a spacious owner suite, sipping your morning coffee on the covered patio while enjoying the peaceful Arizona mornings, or even hosting family and friends in a home with room for everyone. If you've been looking for a property that offers plenty of space to grow, entertain, and unwind in a quiet, welcoming setting, this one in Wadell, Arizona could be exactly what you're after. With 6 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, over an acre of land, and nearly 3,600 square feet of living space, this home gives you the room and freedom to live the lifestyle you've always wanted. Before we step inside, let me tell you a little bit about Wadell, Arizona. This area is a hidden gem on the west side of Phoenix. It's perfect for those who want that peaceful suburban vibe, but don't want to sacrifice convenience. You're just minutes away from the White Tank Mountain Regional Park, which is a dream for hiking, biking, and enjoying Arizona's stunning desert vibes. Not to mention, shopping, dining, and freeway access are all within easy reach, so you're not too far from what you need. Wadell really offers the best of both worlds. A quiet, spacious setting with everything you need close by. All right, now that we've covered the location, let's head inside. As soon as you walk through the front door, you're greeted by an open concept design that immediately makes you feel at home. The living area is spacious with high ceilings and tons of natural light streaming in through the large windows. This creates a warm, inviting atmosphere that's perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a quiet night in, this space is designed to meet all your needs. Let's move into the heart of the home, the kitchen. If you love to cook, this is going to be your favorite spot. With sleek granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and custom cabinetry, this kitchen has everything you need to whip up your next culinary masterpiece. The center island is not only functional for meal prep, but also serves as a casual dining spot, ideal for morning coffee or grabbing a quick bite. The kitchen flows seamlessly into the dining area, making it perfect for family meals or hosting dinner parties. This home features 5 additional bedrooms, each designed with comfort and space in mind. Whether you need a guest room, home office, or playroom for the kids, there's a room for every need. All of the bedrooms are equipped with ample closet space and large windows that let in plenty of natural light. And with 4.5 bathrooms, there's no need to wait in line for a bathroom. Each bathroom is thoughtfully designed with modern features and finishes, ensuring convenience and style. Next up, let's check out the owner suite. This space is the true definition of a retreat. It's generously sized, with plush carpeting and large windows that overlook the backyard. Offering a peaceful view, the ensuite bathroom is like having your own personal spa, complete with dual vanities, a soaking tub, and a separate glass enclosed shower. And let's talk about the walk-in closet. It's huge. There's plenty of space to store all your clothes, shoes, and accessories so you won't ever feel cramped. Now let's step outside and check out the backyard. If you love spending time outdoors, you're going to love this space. The covered patio is perfect for outdoor dining or simply relaxing while you take in the beautiful Arizona weather. The backyard is spacious, offering plenty of room for a pool, garden, or whatever outdoor activities that you enjoy. And with flood irrigation available, maintaining this yard is a breeze. Whether you want to create your own desert oasis or just enjoy the space as is, the possibilities are endless. And that wraps up our tour of this stunning 6-bedroom, 4.5 bath home in Wadell, Arizona. From the spacious living areas and gourmet kitchen to the luxurious owner suite and expansive backyard, this home has everything you could want and more. So if you're interested in scheduling a private tour or learning about this property, don't hesitate to give me a call or shoot me a text at 480-710-7696. You could also reach out to me on Instagram for more information. If you loved this tour, don't forget to like, comment, and share the video with anyone who might be looking for a home like this. And for more home tours, market updates, and expert real estate tips, be sure to follow so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.